Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can password protect a PDF on a Mac OS. So maybe if you got a PDF with private info, a contract, tax form or ID, you can lock it with the password so only the people who know it can open it. And it's pretty simple to do, so I have currently my PDF on my desktop, as you can see. And the first step is you want to right click on the file, open with, and you want to make sure you are opening this with this preview default. So I'm going to open it in the preview, and here, once you are here, you want to now open this file in your top menu bar on your macOS. You want to click on export, and here where it says permissions, we can enter our password. So I will check this require password to open the document. I'm going to type the password. Okay, verified. Now, if you want, you can check those permissions, which can be made without entering the owner password. And after that, you want to also add owner password, which has to be different. So I'm going to type owner password. Then if I click on apply, save, I'm going to close this. Now, if I open my Finder, you can see we have this new event invitation template and it's locked out. So I can replace this. And now to open this, we need to enter password, as you can see. And just make sure you remember the password or you have written the password somewhere because you don't want to lose the file. All right, enter and we are in. So this is how you can password protect PDF on a macOS. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.